All right, so let's begin at the beginning. What exactly are promotional announcements? Well, as a Udemy instructor, you're allowed 2 promotional announcements per course per month. Here's what Udemy says about promotional announcements. Promotional emails are a way to let students of one course know about other Udemy courses by the same instructor. They're meant for only you to send to only your students and may only include information about your courses. More simply, a promotional announcement is one of the only effective ways that Udemy allows you to promote your new or existing Udemy courses to your existing Udemy students. In case you've never sent a promotional announcement before, let me clarify something here. A promotional announcement is basically an email blast where the email is sent through Udemy's internal system and it's sent only to your existing students. Now, you can filter your announcements so that only certain students receive your announcement. So here we are in the Promotional Announcements tab, and as you can see, you can either select all eligible courses or you can search for specific courses that you want to send this announcement to. Now, you could send an individual announcement to each of your courses or a unique announcement to each of your courses, or you can bundle up courses to send specific announcements to. Like what I do, for example, is I have 45 courses on Udemy. So I categorize them into 3 main categories. The first main category is digital marketing courses. Courses about Facebook ads, email marketing, copywriting, and such. The second category is e-commerce courses that primarily have to do with how to sell on eBay, how to build e-commerce websites, and all of that. And the third category is online teaching and infopreneurship, that is creating information products. So what I do is I will send out one email announcement to my e-commerce students. That may be 15 or 16 courses. I'll send a different email announcement to my digital marketing students and a completely different announcement to my online teaching students. And this way what we have is what's called message to market match. We're going to talk about this a little later in the course, but basically you're matching up that student's interests with your email announcement so you get much higher returns. So you can do that here by selecting all eligible courses or grouping them into just certain groups like I do, or certain categories that you can email category-specific emails to get much better results. What you don't want to do is kind of blanket email everyone all of the same courses because you're going to get diluted results. The other thing you can do is you can exclude certain students who are enrolled in some of your courses. And you can choose between a start date and an end date of when those students enrolled. And finally, you can also filter by how far the students have progressed in your course. Now, when it comes to these filters, really the only filter I use is right here. I select the specific eligible courses, the specific categories that a particular student is going to want to hear that particular announcement from. And really, I don't see any reason to use any of these other filters. You may have a specific reason to do so. In some cases, what I'll do is I'll make the end date over 30 days ago, meaning that the last time a student enrolled was over 30 days ago, and that's simply to reduce refunds. If perhaps a student bought a course for $20, $30, $50, or even $15, and now I'm sending them a $10 coupon, this would reduce the refund rate because students have 30 days to refund. So by setting an end date 30 days ago or longer, I reduce the ability for students to receive a refund if for some reason they wanted to refund it and maybe buy it again. Now, for example, you can send announcements only to students enrolled in one course if you want, or you can send announcements to students enrolled in multiple courses. So here's what happens when I select all eligible courses. I get an entire list of all 45 of my courses. Now you can't see the entire list here, so I cut it off, but you can see a little bit of the different types of courses that I have. So I have this one for Udemy instructors, but this one's for e-commerce sellers. And this one is about information products, so that one would go to my Udemy instructors. And then we have book cover design and copywriting, which would be more in the digital marketing realm, and Facebook marketing, and then Udemy course creation, etc., etc. So what I do is I group them into 3 main categories to make sure that those students are getting the ultimate best message for them. Now, the most important thing you need to understand about Udemy promo announcements is this. Be sure to actually use the 2 announcements that Udemy allows you every month. This will virtually guarantee that you'll make more sales, and if you specifically follow the step-by-step strategies in this course, you'll also be making far more sales than the average instructor.